Mike here with 2AR Tactical. Okay guys, we just got done test firing a few guns. We have a set, an AR-10 in 10.5 inch 308, and we also have an AR-15 chambered in 5.56. Cool paint job. This one has a Fostech Echo. The 308 only has a mil-spec trigger in it. Both of these are going to the same place in Virginia. So we support the Virginia cause right now. And that asshole is trying to take these things away from these people. It's called a fucking tyrant. But anyways, let's go ahead and test fire the 308 AR-10. We're going to be running some of these core lock soft nose, which a lot of the AR-10s or semi-autos really don't like these, because when that soft nose hits that ramp and starts up, it kind of mushes the end of that soft lead nose on there, as you can see. And sometimes they get hung up, sometimes they don't, but that's what we're here to find out. See how well these are going to cycle that. I got 10 rounds of these things in there, and let's see how well it's going to do. All right, 308. Semi-auto trigger. Little over gassed. I got to adjust this gas block. You see it's throwing the rounds to the front forward position instead of the 3 o'clock. So let's keep going. Yep, don't like this ammo at all, does it? Doesn't like the core lock stuff. Like I said, let me show you what it's doing. Core lock. So, like I said, that flat nose hits that ramp and gets hung up in there. So, seen the other videos, these things feed the M80 ball or these the just straight up ball ammo pretty good. So let's keep going. Right. 1 out of 10. Not horrible, but you know, just be aware that certain guns like feeding certain ammo. It's just the way it is. But overall, very nice weapons platform here. We'll adjust that gas block a little bit and dial it in some more. So very cool. All right, let's test fire the other one. All right, guys, sorry for that break real quick. The wind is really bad right now, so we had to wait for it to die down. We're going to go ahead and quickly shoot this little guy now, after we just got done firing the 308 with that core lock soft nose crap. All right, so let's give this one a run. Semi-auto. Very nice. Flip over to echo mode, because this one does have the echo in it. My favorite. Pretty cool. Need to adjust this gas block. It didn't lock the bolt back on the last one, so I'm gonna have to open that up just a hair, but not a big deal. All right, really cool. If you guys are interested in one of our custom builds, again, these two are going to Virginia. I commend you guys for what you're doing. We have family there in Gate City, and we understand what's going on there. So we do support you guys with what you're doing there in Virginia. Don't give them a fucking inch. So pretty fitting that this particular one is going to Virginia, right? American flag, don't tread on me, which is exactly what that asshole's trying to do there. He just won't listen. He wants to defy the Constitution. He wants to defy Supreme Court rulings, McDonald, Heller, banning certain types of weapons that are in common use, all that garbage. So if you guys are interested, contact us at 2AR Tactical or visit us on our webpage at 2ARtactical.com, Instagram at 2AR Tactical Custom Guns, or Facebook at 2AR Tactical. All right, guys, Virginia, stay strong. Thanks. All right, sorry to actually edit this in, but like a dumbass, I forgot the ammo at the shop. So when I was doing all these test fires, so this time I'm going to be shooting nothing but military ball ammo, the M80 stuff, cheap mil-serp ammo you can find on the internet. So because we did have that one hang up with the hunting ammo, the soft nose. So I'm just going to show you that it does run clean with ball ammo. awesome. All right, thanks, guys.
We got guns. 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 You better run. You better run. You better run. You better run. We're killing strangers. We're killing strangers. We're killing strangers so we don't kill the ones that we love. We're killing strangers. We're killing strangers. We're killing strangers so we don't kill the ones that we love. We pack demolition. We can't pack emotion. Dynamite, we just might. So blow us a kiss, blow us a kiss. Blow us a kiss, we'll blow you to pieces. We're killing strangers. We're killing strangers. We're killing strangers so we don't kill the ones that we love. We got guns, motherfuckers better run. 'Cause we got guns, motherfuckers better run. We got guns, motherfuckers better run. 'Cause we got guns, motherfuckers better. We're killing strangers. We're killing strangers. We're killing strangers so